Time is running out. That was the message at UN climate talks in Bonn, Germany, as representatives from 180 nations came together to move closer to an agreement ahead of a key meeting in Copenhagen at the end of the year. Around 2,400 delegates are working to shorten a draft text that has ballooned from 50 pages just a few months ago to 200 pages. Ivo de Boer is the head of the UN Climate Change Secretariat.
We have an enormous amount of ground to cover, and in that sense this session is really important.
A sentiment echoed by the head of the WWF's Global Climate Initiative, Kim Carstensen.
Politically, what I think is really important is to translate what was agreed at the G8 meeting and the Major Economies Forum in terms of a minus 80% reduction in developed countries by 2050, in terms of staying below 2 degrees, translating that into a negotiation text which is relevant in the treaty.
The 200-page text outlines ideas such as ways to register curbs on greenhouse gas emissions by developing nations, how to help the poor adapt to climate change, and there is pressure on rich countries to show leadership by reducing their emissions. Japan's Deputy General for Global Issues Makio Miyagawa says post-Kyoto the priority is that the Copenhagen deal needs to be more inclusive in order to prove effective.
Kyoto framework simply covers 30% of the global greenhouse gas emission, but we would like to cover 100%. In order to cover 100%, we have to involve United States, we have to involve China, we have to involve a variety of other, major emitting developing countries.
The participating nations all appear to agree that serious progress must be made in order to meet goals on limiting global warming.